Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to use HitPaw video. So first, you will have to go to online.hitpaw.com and then you will go to the video AI section and then you will click AI video enhancer. Now, you will just have to download it, and after you download it, you will have to install it from hitpaw.com and then you will open the software and import your video. Choose an enhancement model depending on your needs. It could be the noise model for reducing the grain, upscale model for 4K upgrades, colorize for black and white footage, or face model for portraits. Now, you will just have to click preview to see the enhanced video. If it looks good and you're satisfied with it, you will just have to click export to save. It's a simple way to upgrade video using AI. There are no editing experience required for this. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.